Hey guys, Josh here, and this morning Apple released the 2020 iPad Pro, and it looks like Apple listened to what everyone was asking for. It is available now to order on the Apple Store and will start shipping on March 25th. The 11-inch model will start at $799 and the 12.9-inch model will start at $999. They also have an all-new Magic Keyboard with a trackpad coming soon, but first let's take a look at the iPad. So we will get the same liquid retina display, so no mini LED like a lot of rumors were suggesting, but it will still have that same great color accuracy. It's still a 120Hz ProMotion display, which is still amazing to have on an iPad, and will be super smooth when doing pretty much anything. It's still 600 nits of brightness with ultra low reflectivity, so outdoor use will be a breeze. And of course, we still have True Tone and P3 color gamut. The camera's got the upgrade that we all suspected. So it now has a new 10 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel wide sensor. And we also get this new LiDAR scanner, which measures how long it takes light to reach an object and reflect back. It will measure the reflected light from up to 5 meters away, both indoors and outdoors, so we can expect much better AR and improved portrait photos. As far as performance, the 2020 iPad Pro is rocking an A12Z Bionic chip, so not the A13X or A14X that we were expecting, but a performance increase nonetheless. It is faster than most PC laptops today, and the 8-core graphics processor means better performance, so using Pro apps and gaming on the iPad Pro just got even better. It promises to offer fluid performance for things like 4K video editing, 3D design, and AR. I expect that we will see Final Cut Pro come to the iPad soon, but we'll have to wait and see for that. Now back to that smart keyboard. This is a full-size keyboard with a trackpad. So we get a backlit scissor mechanism with 1mm of key travel, so typing will finally be a great experience on an iPad. It has a single USB-C port on the side. The trackpad has multi-touch gesture support, so going from a MacBook keyboard to the iPad Pro will be seamless. And you can position the iPad so that it floats above the keyboard, which will make it much nicer to work at when at a desktop, but it won't be available until May. We also finally have proper mouse support and a standard arrow cursor that changes based on the content that you're pointing to, and disappears shortly after you stop using it, or when you switch to the touchscreen or the Apple Pencil. The cursor will work with either the trackpad or with an external mouse. The Apple Pencil still connects to the side via magnets, so nothing has changed with that. The 2020 iPad Pro weighs just 1 pound and has up to 10 hours of battery life, so with light use, you should be able to make it to the end of the day. We also get Wi-Fi 6, gigabit LTE, a single USB-C port, and 4-speaker audio. I know that we were expecting to see 5G connectivity, but it looks like we're gonna have to wait for that. And that wraps it up. I'll be ordering one soon, so if you want to see more videos on that, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, then smash that like button as it helps out a lot. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.